Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hero Siege game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So let's directly jump to the resolutions. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then you can again relaunch the Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. Don't ignore this step, just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hero Siege game and then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -DX12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3, update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select the operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the latest version of GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after installing it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hero Siege game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hero Siege game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the bin folder and here you will see easy anti-cheat folder. Open it and here you will see the easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. Just double click it to run it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, right click on Hero Siege game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the bin folder and here look for the Hero Siege exe file. Here it is. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down here, select Windows 8, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here, select Windows 7, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, just uncheck it, then hit on apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open the Hero Siege game folder, open bin folder, and here you will see Hero Siege exe file. Select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hero Siege game folder, open bin folder and select Hero Siege exe file, then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix it is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hero Siege folder, open bin folder and then select Hero Siege exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference select high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fiction is to delete the Hero Siege saved game folder. You will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Hero Siege saved game folder. Open File Explorer, then open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder and then open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, then open the local folder and here look for the Hero Siege game folder. Here it is. So first right click on it and then select copy and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder first. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hero Siege and select properties. Now in general tab you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Hero Siege game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Hero Siege game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.